Hi, this is Mike at St. Paul Harley-Davidson. Today we're going to go over how to adjust your 4-point docking hardware to allow your upright to latch on to the point a little bit easier. First thing I like to do is open up the saddlebags. Gives you a little bit more room to get at the fasteners. Right now you can see the upright is unable to actually latch down on the docking points. So what we're going to do, loosen up the fasteners on the side of the docking points here, and this will allow us to actually turn the docking points. The docking points here have a notch on them to kind of help you align. So once I loosen those, and then just lightly snug them for now so I can find the spot that fits the best. So that side wants to go in. So you can see now, you can hear the audible click and the actual detents came down, and that's what we want to see.